Hi, and welcome to this quick no crunch core workout. Perfect for everyone, but especially for those suffering from osteoporosis or osteopenia. So that means there's no rounding of the back, no twisting of the spine, and all movements will be performed on the mat. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting on our backs, knees are bent and feet are flat on the floor. Feet are just about a foot separated from each other, and everything is nice and lined up. Relax your head, neck, and shoulders. And I simply want you to, it's called a spine implant. So we're going to draw the belly button into the spine while thinking about closing the rib cage, pressing the lower back into the floor. And then we release. So think of a little pelvic tuck almost. Lower back into the floor, knit those ribs together. And release. We're just waking up that core. Imprint, press lower back into the mat. And release. Let's do that one more time. Spine implant, or imprint, and release. Hands are at our sides, palms down, pressing into the heels. Let's lift those hips up gently, squeezing the glutes. And then we lower back down from that glute bridge. Pressing into the heels, lift up. Think of that same rib knitting together. Squeeze everything up. Release down. Last one, we squeeze up. And release down. Let's lift our feet, bring our legs to a tabletop position. Again, maybe give a little wiggle, making sure that lower back is pressed into the floor. Shins are parallel to the floor. We're simply going to alternate tapping our toes. So we're going to tap the toe and bring it back in. Other leg, re-tap and bring it back in. The closer your toe is to your hips, the easier it's going to be. The farther you tap the toe away, the more difficult it's going to be. Most important, those abs are engaged by drawing the ribs together and pulling the belly button in. It's a little marching movement here. Make sure you're breathing. A few more like this. Last two. Last one. Lower the feet to the floor, and then we're going to slide them all the way down so legs are straight. Hands are coming behind the head, elbows nice and wide, and we're just going to keep our head relaxed. Again, draw the ribs together, press the lower back into the floor. Relaxing head, neck, and shoulders. We lift one leg and put it down, same leg. We lift and lower. This is really good for working those lower abdominals. So the leg is not coming very far off the floor, but our abs stay contracted here the whole time. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing, other side. Check that form. Again, make sure lower back is pressed in. You can bend the other knee if that helps. It'll make it a little bit less challenging. But if you put your other foot on the floor, it'll help keep the lower back pressed in. 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees. Let's slide the feet back in. Hands come back out from underneath, and this time they're going to come underneath your hips just for a little support here. Lift one foot, lift the other, coming back to our tabletop position. Glue the legs and the ankles together. We're simply going to extend just a couple inches out. You're really going to feel that, and again, those lower abs. Keeping the feet together, we open the knees, close the knees, and then back to center. Don't draw the knees all the way back into the chest. It's just a small movement. So we go out, open, close, back in. Lower back into that floor. Out, open, close, back in. Wowzer, small movement, but super effective. 2 inches out, open the knees. Squeeze the knees together, 2 inches back in. Little small movement here. Stay with me. Keep your form. We have 2 more. Last one. Back in. Lower the feet and bring the hands out from underneath. Okay, rolling onto our side. We're going to do some side leg lifts, supporting your head here in your hand. Or you can come all the way down, whatever is more comfortable for you. Making sure, again, the spine stays nice and neutral. Lifting the top leg up and down. We draw the belly in, and we're using the obliques here. So like, why are we doing side leg lifts on an ab workout, right? You should feel those obliques working. Belly button in. Whole body's working here to lift that leg. Doesn't have to be very high. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Push yourself up onto your elbow and then bend your bottom knee coming towards me. Left leg stays long. Reach your arm up, and we're going to press our elbow into the mat as we lift our hips into a side plank position and lower back down. Lift and hold. Lower back down. Nice job making sure everything is lined up here. We're lifting straight up. Lift and lower. Let's do 2 more. Excellent job. Before we do the other side, coming onto our knees very quickly here just for a full arm plank. And we can do it on our knees. So let's shift our weight forward. Pick your toes up off the floor. Hold this plank here so our shoulders are above our wrists, and then shoulders down and back. Draw the tummy in. We hold here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Same thing, other side. All the way down on that arm, or supporting the head, neck, and shoulders. Make sure we are all nice and lined up, starting with the leg lifts. Tummy in. Lift and lower. You put your hand here, you might even feel these muscles working here in the core and on the side obliques here. Let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Propping yourself up, bend the bottom leg, straighten the top leg. Again, lined up here from shoulder to knee to toe. Pressing into the elbow, arm reaches up. We lift our hips up. Reach nice and high. Tap the hip down. And reach up. And down. Think of having a corset and everything is wrapped around your waist and your back, hugging you nice and tight. That's what it should feel like right now, activating all those muscles. Last one. And relax. Last plank, and we're done. You can come back on your knees like we just did, or if you're up for it, you can do a full arm plank. Again, stacking the shoulders over the wrists on the knees, or you can step back. Belly button comes in. We hold here. Push the shoulders down and back. Neck in line with the spine. Let's hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the knees. You can sit back on your heels or crisscross, whatever's comfortable for you. Big inhale. Reach those arms up nice and high. Maybe climb that ladder, stretching out the front of the body. And releasing back down. That is it. You did it. Great job. This is a great add-on workout. Or if you want more, I will link another workout for you to do down below. Thanks for working out with me. See you next time.